Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys my review of two pairs of truly wireless earbuds from LETSCOM, and those would be their D32s and their HV358 Pros. Now these are both very similar. We'll start with the D32s. They come in this really interesting case. I really like the design of this. You have three LEDs up front. One for the case and one for each of the earbuds. It flips open like this, and it is kind of spring loaded. I don't believe it's magnetic, I think it's spring. And you have your two earbuds in here, as well as two pins per earbud to charge, and then charging the case, if I can spin it around. Charging case on the back is micro USB. The earbuds themselves have rubber tips. You have your microphones there, and then they each have a button here, which is for play, pause, and pairing, and then they just snap back in like that. They do have LEDs on the back. See the lights on the case actually strobe. Move those. We have the HV358 Pros, pretty much same idea, just different case. Charges micro USB, opens on the top. Yeah, they do this a lot. It's kind of inconvenient. There's two red LEDs and then two blue LEDs, and then there's one in the middle that is red and blue for the case. They're red when they're not charged and blue when they are. They're the earbuds themselves. You take them out. Three charging pins on these ones versus the two of those. Pretty similar in design. These ones have a kind of ripple effect going around on them. You have LEDs under there. They do light up. These are buttons for play, pause, and pairing and power. And then you have your rubber tips. They both come with three pairs of tips, one on the earbuds themselves and then two in the box, so you can switch them out for a better fit. I've been using these for a little over a week. I have mentioned before that I'm not a big fan of the rubber in-ear tip, but they are truly wireless. There's no wires in between them, which is awesome. I love that. And they do work pretty well. Once you open them and get them unboxed for the first time, take them out of the case. They are already in pairing mode, so you just gotta go over to your Bluetooth settings on your device and pair them. And they're kind of like AirPods in the sense that once you take them out, they do pair to your device. You don't quite get the magic of taking one out to pause. You have to press the buttons. As far as audio quality go, they're about the same, and for relative comparison, if you have a wired pair of earpods or if you do have AirPods, the volume on these is about half as loud. So if you put your earpods or AirPods at 50%, that's about where these top out. They're not the loudest, but they are a lot cheaper than AirPods. They're not as high quality. So if you're going for something that's gonna destroy your hearing by age 20, these are not my top pick for you. The HV358 Pros on Amazon are $39, and the D32s are $40, and these are both Bluetooth 5.0, which I believe they have over the neckband earbuds that I took a look at last week. You're gonna get better latency, better power efficiency, and more range. So comparatively, if we're gonna keep comparing these to AirPods, which I think we probably should. AirPods are $160. These are both $40 and under. They're 1/4 the price, and they're about half the maximum volume and about half the maximum quality. So for a fourth of the price, you're getting half of the sound quality, but you're also not getting the magic of the W1 chip and the deep integration with the Apple ecosystem. They kind of try to replicate that with these. When you take them out, they're already in pairing mode, and when you put them back in, they disconnect. You take them back out, they connect to the last device they were connected to. So it's kind of, I don't know, they're close. They're close, but not quite. So I'll have these linked down in the description below for you guys to check out. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.